Here is the electric kettle. It is very tiny, but works really well and convenient. Very easy settings to really work through it. For me, I primarily just focus on this dial here. So once I put water in the kettle, currently there's already water. Depending on what you're trying to steam, if you're trying to make like green tea, white tea, oolong, coffee, and just boiling black, it tells you what temperature to put. So I'm just gonna show you the green tea setting. So you should dial it to 175. And then once you dial it to 175, just let it kind of blink a little bit, and then it will start heating up to get to that level. So right now it's going from 80 to 93, and it will keep going up to 175. And when it hits 175, it will make a sound for you. As you can tell, it does boil really fast, like literally like in a minute. So it's going there. And while we're waiting for that, some of the things to note is you can also click this button to keep the kettle warm, keep the water inside, keep warm. I haven't tried this one out. Usually I just kind of focus on that and maybe keeping it warm if I need to. But yeah, so as you can tell here, it's starting to get to 175. Okay, so it will blink when it gets there, and then that's when you can remove your water, and as you can tell, the steams start coming off.